We are a few days early before the National Homeless Awareness Month, and I'd like to start by thanking the CARES team for their hard work on their initiative of the Albany Navigate Street Homeless Outreach Pilot Program that we started. And it's between the county and city, and we both coughed up about $900,000 over 3 years for $1.8 million to try to make a difference. And as we see, we used to have 8 homeless shelters in the county, and now we're down to 5. It's something that we need to address and continue to address and make it happen. We need to ramp up what we're doing to make sure we get these people off the streets or know where they can go to get shelter for the night. So we're here to talk about the different programs and stuff going on, but I do want to say this committee brings together service providers, community stakeholders, community members to bring about better collaboration in order to solve this crisis. Again, in a partnership. It's just not one person. So I'm going to be inviting up different partners up to the podium to speak. We have Liz from CARES, our chairwoman for the county legislature, Joanne Cunningham, couldn't make it. We have Albany Mayor Kathy Sheen here, Deputy Chair Legislator Wanda Willingham, who's coming now.
Albany Navigates will continue to grow and thrive over time because of its partnerships. Joseph's House and Shelter, Homeless and Travelers Aid Society, or HADIS, St. Catherine Center for Children, and CARES of New York will continue to focus on the goal of serving the unsheltered population here in Albany for Albany Navigates. Thank you so much again for your time and your support today.
And we have to recognize that these are our fellow human beings that are out here working to ensure that they are safe and who are wanting and needing different types of interventions. And so taking that approach is making a difference. And it requires all of the partners that you see here. Our police department, our fire department, they're the first responders when we get a call, whether it's somebody experiencing a mental health crisis, somebody who is overdosed and needs assistance. So we have to work in partnership, and having that additional partner for a police officer to be able to deal with the crisis in front of them and call Albany Navigates to say, I have someone who I think could benefit from your services, or our fire department responding to somebody who's overdosed. It's very common. They're given Narcan and then they refuse further medical help. Being able to give them a soft handoff to somebody from Albany Navigates could be a game changer. It could actually literally save their life.
We are taking action, and we're doing it with compassion. I'm pleased that we are convening a committee to bring together all of our resources to address homelessness at its root. It takes strong partnerships, and together we can make meaningful progress and work toward real solutions for this crisis. Everyone deserves the basic dignity of living in a climate-controlled space.
We hope to continue to adjust and make those needed changes so that this program will ultimately serve those who most need these services, including mental health, health care, and housing. And we again thank the mayor and the county executive for their leadership on this issue and look forward to continued partnerships.
There's a few rows of folks behind us, but you'll see the elected officials, but behind the elected officials are also all the people that are actually doing the work as well. The people that are on the streets, whether it's Joseph's House, but also CARES. There are folks from the library here that are also really doing a lot of work on the ground and seeing folks on the streets. So thank you to everyone in partnership doing the work in many different ways. It really could not be done without everyone in close relation.
So we want everyone who's down here to be helped, who needs help. We want the businesses to thrive. We couldn't have done it without all the folks behind me here. So I know everyone's cold, I'll wrap it up, but I want to thank you, Mayor. I want to thank you, County Executive McCoy, everyone behind me. We cannot thank you enough for Lark Street being a direct beneficiary of this program, and we look forward to working with you in the future. So thank you.
Thank you, everyone, for being here. And again, it is about the people behind us and the partnership to get it done. I know the work is hard. And success will be measured in the long term, not the short term. But we can work together to help reduce homeless by connecting them with housing support and mental health and addiction treatment. Every person deserves a chance to rebuild their lives with dignity. And it is through this comprehensive services that we can make this possible for everybody. So again, I do want to thank everyone that's here. It took a lot of partnerships through our mental health, through the CARES, to everyone that's here, and I don't want to leave anyone out. But again, I want to say thank you to everybody, and hopefully again when we do this in a few months, we have better numbers and taking care of more people and getting them off the streets.